So today, I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you to all my new subscribers that has joined me here in Renee's Garden. And I want to say thank you to my subscribers that have been with me for since the beginning of my journey here at Renee's Garden. I am so blessed to have each and every one of you guys. So today's video is going to be about me giving you an update on my vanilla extract. Oh yeah, because I don't know about you guys, but I am tired of going into those stores and paying those high prices for that little bitty bottle of vanilla extract when you can make your own vanilla extract and you can get double or triple the size of the ones that we get in the store. So one thing about when you're making vanilla extract, you have to keep them in a dark location. So I decided that I was going to keep them in the box that my bottles came in, and I was also going to put a piece of paper on the top so there would be no evidence or no way light can get into the box. See this box and the top? All right, let's open this box up and let's see how this vanilla extract is doing. So this is the paper I'm talking about that I put at the top to prevent any kind of light getting into my vanilla extract. Because baby, when this vanilla extract gets done, your girl is going to be so happy, because the holiday seasons will be here before we know it, and your girl is always in the kitchen throwing down with my cakes and pies or whatever I need to have some vanilla extract in it. So let me show you my bottle. So this is my bottle of my vanilla extract, and I started this on June 6th, and look at it, it's already starting to turn beautifully. So I just need to shake it like this to make sure that all those Madagascar vanilla beans that are inside this bottle, and I filled it with some vodka. It can be any type of vodka, just not flavored vodka. So I just put it in there, and I'm gonna shake that one. And like I said, I got 4 of these bottles, so I'm so excited about having my vanilla extract getting all ripe and ready for me, because I cannot wait. So that's 2. This is number 3, and look, the color of the vanilla extract is slowly getting to the color that it needs, and I want mine to get as dark as possible. I could open this up and I could add some more vanilla beans into these bottles if I wanted it to get a little darker. So I'm going to start with 2, and then as the time goes on, and if I see that this vanilla extract is not getting as dark as I would like it, girl, I'm going to pop some more vanilla extract, some more Madagascar beans, vanilla beans in this bottle, and I'm going to get it to the color that I need, because I am just so excited. And I've noticed if you don't keep shaking this, you see how you get a little bit of that residue at the top of the bottle. So I got to make sure I keep on shaking, baby. Keep on shaking. So I'm going to put these back in here. I just wanted to give you guys that update on how my vanilla extract is doing. And I'm telling you, if you haven't tried to do this vanilla extract, you need to try, because you got to be thinking about all the money that you are saving just by buying a few ingredients and making your own extract. It can't get any easier than that. So I wanted to let you guys also know something else that I have been working on in the kitchen today. You know, I've been out there harvesting my cucumbers, and I have been eating them plain. I've been putting them in salads, whatever I need to do with a cucumber, I'm gonna do, because I'm just so blessed, and I'm just so happy that I was able to grow some cucumbers. Because last season, I didn't do so well with my cucumbers, but this season, your girl is throwing down with the cucumbers. And the plant that I have out there, those alpha beta cucumbers, Child, that's the first time I grew those from seed. Those jokers are showing out. They are producing so much at a time. And I don't do anything but just keep them watered the best I can, because you know we've been having this heat over here in Virginia. And trust and believe, this heat ain't no joke. So I try my best, plus with the help of Mother Nature, to help me keep this garden watered the best we can. I've lost a couple of my cucumber plants, but they have given me so many cucumbers off of that plant that I'm just thankful to have them. And I took them out, so I'm thinking about what I'm going to be planting next. But getting back on what I did today with my cucumbers, are you guys ready? Because I know I'm ready. Look, I made some refrigerated cucumbers. Look at that. This is what I made today. I made some cucumber rounds, and I also made some cucumber spears. So I'm going to be putting these in the refrigerator, letting them stay in the refrigerator. I can't even say refrigerator for 24 hours. And child, tomorrow your girl is going to be eating these plain. I might put them on a salad. I am going to be in refrigerated pickle heaven. Woo! I can't wait. So I need to go and find me some more canning jars, because if you saw my video at Lowe's about how they had their canning jars out there, little high for my blood. So I'm still on the look for some more canning jars. So if you guys are out shopping and you see some reasonable canning jars, hit your girl up. Let me know, and so I can get over there and score me some of these canning jars. But look at all the seasoning. I put peppercorns in here. I have dill that I grew myself. I put some red pepper flakes in here because I want my pickles to have a little kick to them. I put garlic at the bottom. So your girl is ready. So that is what Miss Renee is doing today. And I just wanted to let you know about my vanilla, because I'm stoked about that. I'm really can't wait for that to get done. So with that being said, this is what I did today. Made some cucumber pickles, refrigerated pickles, and I'm keeping up with my vanilla extract. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I hope you're having a blessed day. And just think, if you haven't tried to make vanilla extract, it's easy peasy. I'm going to be making some lemon and orange extract because I have 2 empty bottles left, and I think I want to make 2 more extracts so I can have that over the holiday season, because I love making muffins and stuff and breads and stuff, and I think that would be a beautiful ingredient to incorporate in bread making, muffin making, or even put it in your tea. Who wouldn't like a little flavor of some orange extract in their teas, or some lemon extract? It could be cold, it could be hot, whatever you want to do with it. It is amazing. You got this. You can do it. I should made a video showing you guys how to make the vanilla extract. You just substitute the Madagascar vanilla beans, and you just get the peelings. Take the white stuff off, because you don't want the white on your peel, because what we say, white, that means it's going to be bitter. All right, guys, love you all. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Like I said, a blessed day, and Miss Renee will see you in the next video. Don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up so I can get my videos out there. Share me out so everybody else can see what's happening over here in Miss Renee's garden. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because I would so appreciate it. Alright guys, love you. And Miss Renee will see you in the next video with my pickles. And I'll let you guys know how these tasted. I already know they're gonna be good. Look at that. Look at all those seasonings in there. You can't go wrong. Love it. All right, guys, take care.